Imagine having access to AI tools that can design graphics, write essays, edit videos, create presentations, and even help you make money online. Completely free. Most people don't know these tools even exist, while millions of people are still spending hours doing work manually. Others are finishing the same tasks in just a few minutes using AI. The difference isn't talent. The difference is knowing which tools to use. Today, I'm going to show you 10 free AI tools that feel almost too powerful to be legal. These tools can save you hours every week, improve your productivity, and even help you start earning money online if you use them the right way. And make sure you stay until the end, because my number one tool is something I personally believe everyone should learn in 2026. Let's get started. Right now, we're living through one of the biggest technology revolutions in history. Just like the internet changed the world 20 years ago, artificial intelligence is changing the way we work, study, and create content. Students are using AI to learn faster. Business owners are using it to automate their work. Content creators are using it to produce videos in a fraction of the time. Freelancers are using AI to finish projects faster and take on more clients. The amazing part is that many of the best AI tools are completely free. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars every month to get started. In today's video, I'll show you 10 AI tools that can save you hours of work and make your daily tasks much easier. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, a business owner, or simply someone curious about AI, there's something here for you. So let's begin with tool number 10, asterisk. The first tool is Google NotebookLM. Think of it as your personal AI research assistant. Instead of reading through hundreds of pages of documents by yourself, you simply upload your files and let the AI do the heavy work. For example, imagine your teacher gives you a 50-page PDF before an exam. Normally, you would spend hours reading every page and taking notes, but with Notebook, you upload the document, ask questions like, what are the most important points? Or summarize chapter 3, and the AI gives you clear answers within seconds. It can also explain difficult topics in simple language, making it much easier to understand complex information. Another great feature is that you can ask follow-up questions just like you're talking to a tutor. Instead of searching through pages manually, you get direct answers immediately. This makes Notebook perfect for students, researchers, writers, and anyone who works with large amounts of information. If you regularly read PDFs or reports, this tool can save you hours every week. Now let's move on to the next tool. Tool number 9 is Gamma. Creating presentations is something most people don't enjoy. You have to think about the layout, choose colors, arrange text, and find images. It can easily take 2 or 3 hours to build a professional presentation. That's where Gamma comes in. With Gamma, you simply type your topic. For example, if you type the future of artificial intelligence, the AI automatically creates an entire presentation with slides, titles, designs, and organized information. Instead of starting with a blank page, you instantly get something that already looks professional. You can then edit it, add your own ideas, or customize the design however you like. This tool is incredibly useful for students preparing class presentations, professionals creating business reports, or anyone who needs attractive slides quickly. Even if you've never designed a presentation before, Gamma makes the process simple. What used to take hours can now be completed in just a few minutes. Let's continue with another powerful AI tool. Tool number 8 is ElevenLabs. If you've ever wanted professional voiceover without buying expensive recording equipment, you'll love ElevenLabs. This AI tool turns text into incredibly realistic human voices. These aren't the robotic voices you may have heard years ago. The voices sound natural, clear, and expressive. For YouTube creators, this is a huge advantage. You can write your script, paste it into ElevenLabs, and generate professional narration in just a few minutes. Many creators use it for educational videos, documentaries, tutorials, audiobooks, and storytelling content. It's also useful if you're not comfortable recording your own voice or if English isn't your first language. Instead of spending hours recording and editing audio, you can create high-quality narration almost instantly. Of course, if you're building a personal brand, using your own voice can help people connect with you. But for many projects, ElevenLabs is an amazing option that saves both time and effort. And we're just getting started. the next tools on this list become even more powerful. The next tool is Perplexity. If you've ever spent 30 minutes searching Google only to end up opening 10 different websites, this tool is going to save you a lot of time. Perplexity works like an AI-powered search engine. Instead of giving you a long list of links, it gives you a direct answer while also showing the sources it used. That means you can verify the information yourself if you want to. For example, if you're researching a school assignment, learning a new programming language, or trying to understand a business idea, Perplexity collects information from multiple reliable sources and summarizes it into one easy-to-read response. It's like having a personal researcher available 24 hours a day. This makes it perfect for students, professionals, entrepreneurs, and anyone who values accurate information rather than wasting time jumping from website to website. You get the answer in seconds and can move on to your next task. Now let's look at another AI assistant that's becoming incredibly popular. Tool number 6 is Claude. Claude is one of the smartest AI assistants available today. While many people use AI for simple questions, Claude really shines when it comes to handling large documents and complex tasks. Imagine you have a 50-page business report, a research paper, or a long contract. Reading everything yourself could take hours. With Claude, you can upload the document and ask it to summarize the key points, explain difficult sections, or even identify important insights you might have missed. It's also excellent for writing. Whether you're creating blog posts, business emails, reports, or creative stories, Claude helps you organize your ideas and improve your writing. Many students use it to understand difficult subjects, while business owners use it to brainstorm ideas and solve problems. Instead of replacing your thinking, Claude helps you think more clearly and work more efficiently. If your daily work involves reading or writing, this tool can become one of your biggest productivity boosters. Asterisk, if you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. We've only covered the first half of the list, and hopefully you've already discovered one or two tools you didn't know existed. The next 4 tools are some of the most powerful AI tools available today, especially if you're interested in content creation, freelancing, or building an online business. So let's keep going. Tool number 5, Chat. Of course, we can't talk about AI without mentioning ChatGPT. Even today, it's still one of the most useful AI tools in the world. The reason is simple. It can help with almost anything. Need help writing an email? ChatGPT can do that. Need ideas for a YouTube video? It can generate dozens of them. Want to learn coding, improve your English, write a resume, or even create a business plan? ChatGPT can help with all of those tasks. The secret isn't just asking simple questions. The better your prompts, the better your results. The more you learn how to communicate with AI, the more valuable it becomes. That's why millions of people now use ChatGPT every day to save time, solve problems, and increase their productivity. It's one of those tools that becomes more useful the more you use it. Tool number 4, Canva. Most people already know Canva as a graphic design platform, but many people still don't realize how powerful its AI features have become today. Canva can generate images, create presentations, write content, remove backgrounds from photos, and even suggest complete design layouts using artificial intelligence. Imagine you need a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post, a business flyer, or a presentation. Instead of designing everything from scratch, Canva AI gives you professional-looking results in just a few clicks. Even if you've never studied graphic design, you can. The 4th of July 2026, 9:07 a.m. EDA. Create visuals that look clean and modern. This is especially useful for content creators, small business owners, students, and freelancers who need quality designs without hiring a designer. The combination of simplicity and AI makes Canva one of the most practical tools on this list. And we're not done yet. The final 3 tools might be the most exciting of all. Tool number 3 is CapCut. If you're creating videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, CapCut AI is a tool you should definitely try. Video editing can be one of the most time-consuming parts of content creation. Cutting clips, adding captions, removing mistakes, adjusting audio, and creating smooth transitions can take hours. CapCut AI makes all of that much easier. With its AI features, you can automatically generate captions, remove background noise, improve voice quality, create automatic cuts, remove silent pauses, and even turn long videos into short clips for social media. For beginners, this is a huge advantage because you don't need years of editing experience to make your videos look professional. Even experienced creators use CapCut AI because it saves so much time. Instead of spending hours editing, you can focus on creating more content and growing your audience. If you're serious about becoming a content creator, this tool can easily become part of your daily workflow. Tool 2 is Leonardo AI. Coming in at number 2 is Leonardo AI. This is one of the best AI image generators available today. All you have to do is describe the image you want. For example, you could type something like, "A futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and neon lights." Within seconds, Leonardo AI creates beautiful, high-quality artwork based on your description. This is incredibly useful for YouTube thumbnails, blog graphics, social media posts, game design, marketing materials, and creative projects. If you've ever wanted custom artwork without learning Photoshop or hiring a designer, Leonardo AI makes it possible. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the final result. Many creators use it to produce unique visuals that help their content stand out from the competition. Instead of searching for stock images that everyone else uses, you can create something original in just a few minutes. That's why Leonardo AI has become one of the favorite tools for designers and content creators around the world. Finally, we arrive at the number 1 tool on today's list, Google AI Studio. This isn't just another AI chatbot. It's a platform where you can experiment with some of Google's most advanced AI models. You can test prompts, build AI-powered workflows, analyze information, generate content, and explore what modern AI is truly capable of. If you're interested in programming, automation, content creation, or simply understanding how AI works behind the scenes, Google AI Studio is one of the best places to start. The platform gives you access to powerful tools that many people haven't even heard about yet. That's why I placed it at number 1. Learning how to use advanced AI tools today could give you an advantage tomorrow. The earlier you start, the more prepared you'll be as AI continues to become part of everyday life. Don't wait until everyone else catches up. Start learning now while these tools are still freely available. And those were my top 10 free AI tools that feel almost too powerful to be free. Whether you're a student, freelancer, business owner, or content creator, even learning just one of these tools can save you hours of work every week. Remember, AI isn't here to replace people. It's here to help people who know how to use it work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. So here's a challenge for you. Pick one tool from this list and try it today. Then come back and let me know in the comments which one impressed you the most. I'd love to hear your experience. If you enjoyed this video and want more AI tools, productivity tips, and ways to make money online, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.